Hello again. Wanted to get a sound sample on my Bruco baritone again. Uh, I did a sound sample a few days ago, maybe a week ago, with low GCEA strings, uh, standard GCEA with just a low G. And well, I really liked them on it. They sounded really good, but if I'm just going to play, that standard tuning, I'd rather do it on my Coco Bolo concert, which is a whole lot easier scale for me to work with. Anyway, so I wanted to change those. I ordered some Perry's Low Octave GCEA. I thought bringing, back the big deepness like it had with DGBE tuning, would be, be what you needed. Anyways, I don't like these at all. You can see I haven't done a haircut on it. Like I said, I don't think these have been on here for a full week yet. But regardless, I'm planning on jerking them off tonight. I just, the tone of it, it just don't sound right to me. I think a big part of it could be on this short scale baritone. This is only a 19-inch scale baritone. Most people nowadays would call this a super tenor size instead of a baritone. Normal baritone scale is around 21 inches. I think that with these strings, they're already low tension anyways, going down to the entire octave below normal GCA. It just don't work for me anyways on this 19-inch scale. And I have absolutely no interest in trying to play a larger baritone. So I just don't think that these strings are for me. Somebody else might absolutely love them. And anyways, here's the sound sample. I'm going to try to do the best I can on these, but I really do have a hard time, I feel like trying to make them sound good. They're so low attention, they're hard for me to play. Baritone's hard for me anyways, but the really, really low tension, and I like low tension strings, but these are so low tension, they made it difficult for me to chord and things good. Sounds like a very sick ukulele to me. I'll be honest, I had doubts of these strings before I even ordered them. Even by the sound samples that I heard, on YouTube and things, I thought, boy, I don't know, it just don't sound right to me for some reason. And well, in person, that carries over. We try to do a little Wild Mountain Time. That's all I'm more subject to on that. But I don't know. It don't sound right to me. Like I said, I think a big part of it is, well, the register, that it has, that depth of tone, I don't think is, it's definitely not what I'm used to and what I've got accustomed to with Uke. But all the happy perkiness, of ukulele is just gone. It's just, you know what I mean? It completely different. Like I said, I encourage anybody, try these. But they ain't for me. If somebody out there's got a 19-inch scale baritone and you want to try these, give me a note and I'll send these to you. They still got plenty of room there to be able to retie them back on to your ukulele, as long as it's a 19-inch scale, or real close to that. But boy, these just ain't for me. I'm just going to stop. That's plenty low enough of a sound sample on something that I don't really like the sound of. Appreciate you listening through it. Have a good